Today we're going to make some artisan homemade bread. It's very easy to do. This will have a firm crust on the outside and be nice and tender inside. It's great for sandwiches. I just use whatever kind of flour that I have on hand that's all-purpose. And I use 3 cups worth. And I went ahead and put those in there. A teaspoonful of sea salt, a teaspoonful of baking powder, so 1 package of Fleshman's active dry yeast, and it can be the self-rising yeast, and then just a glass of warm water. And this is just kind of room temperature. You don't want it hot or boiling hot. And I have everything measured out here, so we're going to go ahead and add that in. That's Juju in the background walking around. And distribute all of the dry ingredients well. And you roughly need about a cup of water, but you want it to be sticky. You're not going to roll it out and knead it or anything. So making a well in the center. And you can do this right on your countertop. You don't have to do it in a bowl necessarily. Okay. I always reserve a little bit of the water to make sure I have enough. If it's too dry, then I go ahead and add some more. Already looks like it's going to be a little too dry. Let's add some more. And you just continue this process until it all incorporates. Alright, I incorporated it as much as I could. And then I switched spoons to a wooden spoon. I did have to go ahead and add another ½ cup of water, but it's a little bit dry here. So just do it until it's about this texture. It's sticky to the touch. And then after that, you want to just go ahead and cover it with saran wrap. And you're going to let it rest for about 3 hours. Alright, I placed it in a 450-degree oven. I wrapped it in wax paper first, and it's in my cast iron skillet. And we're going to let this cook about 35 minutes and then check it. After that, you can open up the wax paper and then cook it for about 5 minutes at a time and just let it get brown on top. Alright. That was a 450-degree oven, and it's been about 40 minutes. As you can see, the paper will turn brown, but it's okay. Let's take a look. Look how gorgeous. Nice and crunchy on the outside, and it will be tender and flaky on the inside. I'll take a few pictures and show you at the end. Thanks for joining us.